Hey, I'm Robert Paco, an engineer here at LaunchDarkly, and I want to talk to you about how we're making error monitoring more feature aware. If you've ever had a release that has caused error rates to go up, but it's been unclear why those error rates are actually rising, you'll understand why this is important. With LaunchDarkly, you can see which feature has actually caused errors to go up, and engineers won't be stuck bouncing between logs, traces, telemetry, trying to find a root cause of the problem. This results in faster fixes and shorter outages. So here I am on the monitoring page of a specific flag. We can see that I have set this flag to be true for only myself. So this way I can test out my new feature in production without actually affecting any other users. We can see that the unique user count is 1 right now, and that the error rate went up when I turned on this flag. If I want to investigate this more carefully, I can click View All to bring me to the errors page. This page will show me a lot more details about the error, including the exact line number where the error occurred. This is nice because I'm looking at my original TypeScript code, rather than just seeing an excerpt from a minified JavaScript bundle. This uses source maps so that any stack trace I look at here is actually in the original TypeScript, and makes it a lot easier to debug and actually go and fix that in the code itself. This page also tells me how often the error has been occurring, how many users it has impacted, so I can see that clearly this hasn't been affecting very many users because it's related to that flag that I enabled only for myself. But another question that I might have is how severe is this error? I can answer that question easily by just clicking the Related Session button. Here I can see exactly what the user was seeing at the time that the error occurred. On the timeline, I can see that the errors are right here at the 12-minute mark. Advance to that timeline, and I can see that this error did actually crash the page. So with that knowledge, I can go maybe investigate this a little more carefully, write a fix for it. But if this is actually something that was affecting users, I could also easily address it by just going back and changing that feature flag. If you're already using guarded releases, error monitoring makes them faster to debug. And if you're not using guarded releases yet, error monitoring is the easiest way to connect the dots between errors and features. No guesswork required. Happy shipping!